Hi, it's Larry Kern. I'd like to welcome everyone to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money creating artwork, different types of images, and it doesn't require any type of skills or information, things like that. And once you create these images, you could, and I'm going to show you where you can start selling them today and start making money. You can put it in front of millions of people in a couple minutes. And the company that I'm going to show you will handle all the payments and will pay you a commission for each item that sells. You can have an item that sells for days, for years. You know, there's no time limit to items that you create. So let's get started. Now, first, right at this moment, Stable Diffusion is free. Now, how long? I don't know how long it will be free, but even when it's maybe starting to charge a fee, it'll probably be very, very cheap, very, very inexpensive. So when you go to this page, StableDiffusionWeb.com, actually, let me see if I can go to the beginning of the page. When you go to the page, you will go to Playground. You click the link that said Playground. Now, the first time you go in here, you may not see the two areas. See, it has enter your prompt, and if you restore the page maybe a few times, sometimes it shows you the enter a negative prompt. So you would like that. You don't have to use that, but that does help. So what we're going to be doing is including prompts in these boxes so it will generate an image for you. So one of the sites, you could go online and try to find other sites that offer prompts, image prompts, but this is one site, PromptHero.com. And what I was doing is go to community or go anywhere on the page. And these images, you can sort of wing it in terms of what kind of image you think would sell or would be recreated and look similar to the image on the page. So here's the prompt that generated this image here. Now you could go to this site here to try to create the image also, but this is not free. Well, I believe they give you a few credits a month, but it's still very, very cheap. So let's just copy this, see what kind of image we'll come up with here. This one doesn't give you a negative prompt. Keep in mind, once this image is done, it's unique. No one else in the world has the same image. You'll be able to save it to your computer, and while this is working, go to Wirestock. This is where you would sell your image. You can upload it here. They handle all the money. They handle everything. They have literally thousands or millions of people shopping through this site. So it's a very good chance you get going, start making money today. As I said before, it's free to join. And keep in mind, with this system that we're using, AI, they have 230,000 total number of creators. 9 million total number of purchases. So you see, it's a very active site, and it's free to list your images on the site. Still working. So that's one image. So you could try it with different images. Some of them come out really good. Some of them come out, they're not. Get the maintenance here. So I usually go to the community homepage, which is down right now. It would be up again. But they have a endless amount of images. So you go to hot. So looks like it's going to be down. You see here. As I said before, some of these images will not come out even close to, and these are all popular. I really don't know how they created these with such detail. But the main thing is that the code is there, the prompt. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that's not bad. It's not bad. You could save it for yourself to put it on your website, or this image, or you can hit the regenerate image. It will do another image, and that one may be more of what you're looking for. Keep in mind, no one knows what image would really sell for sure. And this is all free, right? So I saved it to my folder. I would reload and try the image, but let me try this one here. This has the copy, and it shows you what platform they use to make this image. Keep in mind, every time you do anything on this site, it's going to be totally different each time, which makes it so you don't have to worry about getting sued or anything like that, because no one will have that same exact image or even close to. So we got that there. You can just make as many as you want to, because some comes out really interesting, and as I said before, no one knows what image will be. Well, here you can see it shows the hot images, new images, top images. You see here, and sometimes it doesn't become close to what you. These are all top or popular. Let's see here. How's the era? So a lot of people all over the world are using this site, particularly since it's free. So that's the way to make money with images, with AI images. And you could go in and join this site and show you how often they pay. They handle all payments, Visa, MasterCard, PayPal. One of the largest marketplaces in the world. So you can sell. I haven't really went through this too much, but it's pretty simple, very straightforward. No cost whatsoever. Okay, this is the end. I'm at the end of this video, but it just takes a minute to. You don't even have to join this site. It looks like it just hit the playground, and you're ready to go. Okay, thanks for watching the video, and check it out. It's one of the easiest ways I know of to make money online.